All right, everybody, we're going to talk today about the new Venmo, PayPal, Cash App, and Zelle tax rules and how it absolutely means there's going to be more audits. And this comes from a CPA. So let's do this. Okay, here's the deal. I got this news article. I thought it was very important. I wanted to bring it to you because what's great about this day and age right now is with all these people leaving work, quitting their jobs, or they had a period of self-discovery and they started their own businesses. In the last 2 years, we've seen an absolute explosion in the side hustle. And I broke this story a little while ago about this change in the IRS tax rule about these third-party payment apps like PayPal, eBay, anybody that takes money from one party and gives it to another, if that totals $600 or more in a calendar year, and if it's under the goods or services tab, goods and services, goods or services, there is going to be a 1099-K issued to the IRS and to the individual that is accepting the money. So I want you to be very clear, okay? I don't care if you own a business or not. If you take $600 or more in the entire calendar year under the goods and services tab, okay, I know there's other tabs, you're going to be treated as a business and you will have to show the IRS that you either own a business or you don't, okay? Now there's positives, all this stuff, but we're just going to go through this story because I thought it was very important. It says self-employed people, small businesses are audited significantly more than W-2 employees, and that is absolutely right. And anytime a 1099-K is issued, the IRS looks at it as a business, okay? That's how it is, whether it be a sole proprietorship, LLC, corporation, limited partnership, the list goes on and on, okay? The point is you will be viewed as a business of some sort, okay? It says if you're a small business owner, an independent contractor, or if you have a side hustle and you accept payments through a third-party app, you can now expect to receive the 1099-K form where you'll be obligated to report such payments as income. Says there is absolutely going to be an uptick in audits for small businesses, says Howard Samuels, a certified public accountant at Samuels and Associates. Now guys, I'm not going to go through this whole article, but I am going to link it below so you guys can take a look at it. And please share this video everywhere you can, especially those groups on Facebook, like the side hustle groups or the entrepreneur groups, because this is going to smack a lot of people in the face. And my goal is to warn you. That's why I bring you these news stories, not only to warn you about things that are coming, but show you how to absolutely crush it and thrive in 2022. It says, here's what you need to know and how you should prepare for tax season in light of these new rules. So it says, since millions have lost their jobs in the pandemic, many became independent contractors, and the government views that as running your own small business. Samuel says, generally speaking, self-employed people, small businesses are audited significantly more than W-2 employees. And that's because their tax situations are less straightforward and require more proof of income and expenses. It says small business owner Carly Olansky is not happy about the new requirement. It's really annoying, says Olansky, who is the founder of Gifting Co. New York, a personalized gifting company. I have fully decided what I'm going to do about it. Oh, I apologize. I haven't decided what I'm fully going to do about it. I actually have those answers. I'm going to be doing a lot of videos pretty soon about these, how ironically, this is going to sound crazy. This is actually a good thing. This is going to force so many people from their side hustle to that next step to absolutely crush it and make more money in 2022. So keep an eye out for those. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button because I am going to be coming out with these videos. I actually think this is one of the greatest things for America when a lot of people think it isn't. And it's not because I like paying taxes. I actually like paying no taxes, okay? And so what we're going to do is start to teach a lot of people how to pay less or no taxes depending on what kind of company you're in over the next few months. It says before starting the Gifting Co. New York in June, Orlansky manufactured textiles for clothing companies until everything hit. I got to say these special words, trust me. During that time, she lost a lot of things. She said she lost the ability to, my stuff got cut off. She said her goods ranged in price from $20 to $80 and 90% of her payments came through Venmo, she said. The rest came through Zelle. If she continues using Venmo to sell her goods, she'll have to set up a business profile and pay a transaction fee, which is 1.9%. It's plus 10% of the payment, or I'm sorry, 10 cents of the payment. So far, for example, if she made a $100 sale, she'd pay $2 in fee leaving her with a profit of $98, according to Venmo. Now let me stop right there, okay? And I'm gonna leave the rest of the article for you guys. This is a great example of somebody that's frustrated, but they're looking at the nickels and dimes right now, okay? The fact are, she was able to sell something and she was not claiming it as income. Okay, I got you, total side hustle, I love it. Once she starts to realize if she does it right and keeps her books clean, the amount of things that she's able to write off against that become enormous. And there's all kinds of things that you do in your daily life right now that you're not using as a legal write-off. And I think it's very important for people to understand that because it starts to open up a whole new world of possibilities. Now, there's still some possibilities. People are using certain cryptocurrencies to escape the IRS rules, but the thing is very few people use cryptocurrencies right now. So that's one thing. We need to realize where we're at. And so what I want to do is I want to prepare people with side hustles or small businesses, now that they're going to have to start showing this much more income, how to actually get way more tax write-offs and absolutely crush it in this next year. And so what it'll do is it'll bring you to that next level. And I believe this is an exciting time for the country. I know it sounds hard because a lot of people say, no, I like my cash and I like being hidden. But the facts of the matter are, a lot of people, especially with all the side hustles I know, they're only making this much. Even if you're making $100,000 a year on your side hustle, I'm telling you right now, there's a whole new world to take you from here to here. All right? I hope you guys got something out of this. Thanks for everybody that's sharing these videos, especially on Facebook groups, and all the new subscribers. Thanks for all the thumbs up. You guys are awesome. The Economic Ninja is out.